President Emerson Mnangagwa has returned from his annual leave. One of his first acts was to receive a donation of 30 tons of maize meal from Richards and gains cash and carry for onward handover to vulnerable citizens yesterday morning. According to ZANU-PF patriots on their X account, Comrade Ed received 30 tons of mealie meal donations jointly from Gain Cash and Carry and Richards Group at State House. Comrade Ed will then donate the mealie meal to the less privileged. However, former Norton MP Temba Mliswa has stated that the president was not supposed to be dragged into such a flimsy donation. Temba Mliswa wrote that, "This is a joke, honestly. How can you drag the head of state to receive such a flimsy donation? Surely Richards and Gain Cash and Carry should pull greater weight if they want to donate. How much money do they make per year? We need to be careful and not abuse the president and his office. We are also farmers, and I'm hoping that when I also have my 30 tons of maize, it will be received. Frankly, this type of behavior doesn't do us any good. It would be better if they donated to ZANU-PF, the party and INSCO have been doing. Let's respect ourselves." This is what Temba Mliswa has had to say on his X account. However, like always, people were weighing in on Temba Mliswa's tweet as they commented that the president is the one who is actually abusing Richards and Cash and Carry. The economy is not performing, so Mr. Mliswa appreciate please. After all, Mr. Mnangagwa, he is not the president of Zimbabwe. He gets 38% presidential elections. The problem lies with the office of the president for allowing such things to happen. Would be stopped so low he would send a minister of permanent sake for such. Head of state wacho ndiwo wanotomanikidzira to receive the donations. Remember, he once cut a ribbon on a heap of donated plastic bags. Naye Temba ane problem ndiani apa? Anditi ari kupiwa ndiye angadai aona kuti a donation at this size inoda a junior and send a minister or deputy. Saka those donating vanoda here to make the size acceptable. I do think they are trying to curry favor though. There is always someone to blame. Dambuzo is useless, Kani, for my. It's not a joke. You undermine other people's efforts. What have you donated lately? Sure, pajairirwa mukuru apa one load yegonyechi kuitwa varazipi chaiko. This is what Temba Mliswa followers had to say after he had stated that people were not supposed to drag the president to such a flimsy donation. Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Right Corner YouTube channel. Please